Righty, I've just dropped into Adventure 4x4 down here. The guys are putting a brake controller.
Yes, brake controller.
They're just
Anderson
about done.
plug as
Yeah,
well
I overlooked the Anderson plug.
Yeah.
You need that in order to charge a caravan. But anyway, I'm learning these bits and pieces. That's about done.
Yes.
Before I pick up my Y62, probably going to notice, well, have a look at the size of this thing back here. Mate, what is this?
It's a Ram 2500. It's sitting on 37s at the moment. Fully legal.
37s?
37s, yeah.
Don't look like 37s.
Fully legal, so yeah, all fully engineered and everything like that as well too. So
what I'm frothing about is actually, come this way, come and have a look at this.
Yeah.
You've got a full Mits set up on the back of this.
Yes, yeah.
So these big American trucks, look at the size of this thing, will you? These big American trucks take, what's the length on this one here? This is a big one, the canopy.
Yeah. So they max the size out of it.
Yep.
Obviously train canopy package as well too.
Yeah.
2 under trays as well.
Yeah,
Or under
heaps of storage.
Heaps of storage, yeah.
So this is the owner, this is Ben's.
Yeah.
And how many kids has Ben got?
Ben's got 4 kids.
4 kids,
Yeah.
2 adults, although some might argue there was only 1 adult in that whole
Yeah.
family. But 4 kids, 2 adults, and they live
Yeah.
out of this?
They do, yeah. So they go full travelling out of it.
Yep.
Got the caravan and everything as well to go with it.
Yep.
But yeah, obviously Ben wanted it so that he could just leave the caravan at the caravan park and then just keep going exploring. So
You're going to put a rooftop tent on it at some stage?
possibly, yeah, possibly. Taking this thing up Kelcup Hill as well.
Oh, this
too.
goes up, you went up Kelcup Hill?
Going up Kelcup Hill, yeah. Got
Well,
footage of it as well too. So.
WA folks will know exactly what I'm talking about. If you're on the East Coast, stay there. There's nothing to see here.
Yeah.
Mate, this is impressive.
Yeah.
So, Mits are doing like just straight on. You don't have to worry about it. This just goes straight on the big trucks.
Yes,
Canopy and tray
obviously most of them come with the tubs and everything like that.
Rip them
Move the tub off,
Yep.
integrate all your sensors, all your cross-lane trafficking and avoidance and all that sort of stuff as well too.
Yep.
So we've got to obviously strip that out of the rear tail lights where it's integrated into,
Yep.
Which is fantastic with the Mits.
Yep.
Means that they can incorporate that onto all your new D-Maxes, your new BT50s and everything like that as well too, which is
Worked a treat with
fantastic.
my Y62, which was never meant to be cut in half. You're not
Yes.
meant to do that.
No.
But did exactly the same with mine. Just
Yep.
took them out. One mistake we make is I put the right in the left side and the left in the right hand side.
Common mistake.
Common
yes.
mistake. There is actually a left and a right. Swap them over,
Yep.
and everything works fine.
Everything works.
Same with this
Yeah.
one.
Same with this one as well too, yeah.
Man, this thing is impressive.
Yeah.
The
Did you need
owner.
me to get you a stool? Or
Well, I was
you're
going to say,
right?
the only problem I've got is I wouldn't be able to get my pies out of the pie oven. That's ridiculous. But this has actually got that adjustable suspension, so I can
It does,
drive it
yeah.
down.
So fully air suspension on it.
Yep.
So yeah, he's able to adjust it. Obviously, we're in party mode at the moment.
Yeah.
He's got travel mode,
Yep.
and then he's got stock mode as well
Yeah,
too.
right,
So, which is great. So we can, when he gets to the caravan park or he's
Yep.
out on the side of the road, drop it all down. So it's all user friendly and everything like that.
That is very cool. You're seeing more and more of these rigs getting around these days as people's needs for towing, etc., go through the
right.
roof. So it's great to see the Mits are keeping up with it, and
Yeah.
just whacking their tray and canopy package. When I say whacking, there's quite a bit of work involved.
There's a fair
But-
bit of work to be able to remove that tray and get this big hooker on there as well.
But you can do it.
We can, yeah. 100%.
That's the thing. That's
yeah.
crazy, and it's all being done in Western Australia.
Yes.
Hashtag West is best.
Yes.
I can get that. I can just reach. Folks, if you're in WA, you need anything for your four-wheel drive, come on down and see Ben and the boys and girls at Adventure 4x4. These guys look after me every time I'm down here, and without you guys, honestly, there's been some trips that would not have happened, and I mean that. They drop everything to help me out. They've done it today. Apparently I did an Anderson plug.
Yes.
They're putting one in for me. Go on down, say good day to these guys. And for now, put this back down to its normal height. It's scaring me. I'm going to go pick up my car.